Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will be started a new session, that is aptitude session, and today we will discuss about tests of divisibility, which is the subtopic of number systems. So let's get started. So in this session we will be discuss about the divisibility condition of some numbers. So we start with 2. If the last digit of a number is 0 or 2 or any even number, then the number will be divisible by 2. That means if the number is 10, 20, 32, 18, then it will be divisible by 2 because the last digit is 0, like this. Last digit is 2, 2. Last digit is even number. So like this, if any number's last digit is 0 or 2 or even number, then it will be divisible by 2. In case of 3, if sum of the digit of the number is divisible by 3, then the whole number will be divisible by 3, like 93. If 9 plus 3 equals to 12, here 9 plus 3 equals to 12, and 12 is divisible by 3, 4. So 93 will be divisible by 3. Okay. In case of 4, if the last 2 digit of a number is 00 or last 2 digit number will be divisible by 4. Divisible by 4, last 2 digit. Then the number will be divisible by 4. Like 23500. Let's take a number and take 2344. Here last 2 digit is 0, 0, so it will be divisible by 4. And here last 2 digit will be divisible by 4. 4 ones are 1, 4 ones are 1. This last 2 digit will be divisible by 4, so this whole number will be divisible by 4. In case of 5, if the last digit of a number is 0 or 5, then the number will be divisible by 5. Okay, like 55, 90, etc. In case of 6, if the digit is divisible by 2 and 3 both, then the digit will be divisible by 6. 2 and 3 both. If a digit is divisible by 2 and 3, like 60, this number is divisible by 2 and also 3, so the this is divisible by 6. 18 divisible by 2 and 3, so it will divisible by 6. 7. So to determine the divisibility condition of a prime number, then we need to implement osculator rule. Yes, osculator rule. We need to implement this osculator rule for prime number divisibility condition. Okay, so in case of 7 is a prime number, so we need to implement this osculator rule. So how to implement it? First, divide 7 with 2. 7 2s are 14. We have to write down the multiplication table. 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21. We have to come to the multiple of 10, like 10, 20, 30, 40. We have to find out which number is close to this. Like 21 is close to 20, so we need to grab it. Okay, so here 21 is close to 20, so here we can say that so 7 is one more osculator. Why one more osculator? Because 21 is more than 20. The gap between 21 and 20 is 1. 21 minus 20 equals to 1. So we can say 7 is one more osculator, and in in this case there are a rule that if it is one more oscillator, then it will be negative, and if it is one less oscillator, then it will be positive. Okay, we will discuss it later. When we will give the example, then we will be discuss about it. So here 7 is one more oscillator, and 7 is one more oscillator, but the oscillator value is 2 because we find this 20. So we have to take the first digit of the number 2. Let's take an example. One one 12, 1 1 2. So we have to divide it in two parts. The last digit as one part and the other digit as one part. So after writing I will describe it. 11 minus 2 into 2. Here 11 is this 11, this 2 is this 2, and these 2 we will find here the oscillator value. Okay, this 2 is this 2, and this is negative because we are saying that we are one more oscillator. Here 7 is one more oscillator. Okay, so this is one more oscillator, so it will be negative, and we will give their negative. Okay, so we will simplify it. 2 into 2 4, 11 minus 4, and 7. 7 is divisible by 7. Yes. Okay, so 112 is divisible by 7. This is the oscillator rules. Let's take another example. 1 4 1. So we have to divide it in two parts. 14 minus 2 into 1. Here this one is this one, 14 is 14, this 2 is oscillator value, so it will be 14 minus 3, 12. 12 is not divisible by 7, so this is not divisible by 7. Okay. In case of 8, if the last digit of a number is 30, 1 2 3, or the last three digit will be divisible by 3, last 3 digit divisible by 3, then those number will be divisible by 8, like 2 3 0 0 0 0 0. Okay, it will be divisible by 8, and like 3 6 9 8 4. Here the last 3 digit 984 is divisible by 8, like this condition, so this will be divisible by 8. Okay. 9. In case of 9, if the sum of all digit of a number is divisible by 9, then the number will be divisible by 9, like 3. Okay, sum of all digit should be divisible by 9. Sum of all digits should be divisible by 9, then we can say those whole number will be divisible by 9. 10. 10 is very easy. If there are 0 in the last digit or any digit of any number, then the number will be divisible by 0. Any number having a 0 in its last digit, that will be divisible by 100, like 100 divisible by 10, 100, 2100, 20, etc, etc. That's all for today. In my next video I will discuss about some more numbers divisibility condition. So let's summarize today's topic again. In case of 2, the last digit should be 0, 2 or an even number, then it will be divisible by 2. In case of 3, the sum of all digit of a number should be divisible by 3. In case of 4, last digit should be 0, or last two digits should be divisible by 4, then the number will be divisible by 4. 0, in case of 5, last digit should be 0 or 5, then the number will be divisible by 5. In case of 6, the number should be divisible by 2 or 3, 2 and 3 both. The number should be divisible by 2 and 3 both, then the number will be divisible by 6. In 7, we have to use the osculator rule because 7 is a prime number. In every prime number we have to use osculator rules. What is osculator rules? We have to write down the multiple table till it became close to the 10th numbers. So here we got at first is 21, in 7 3s are 21, so 21 is close to 20, so the difference between 21 and 20 is 1, so we can say 7 is more osculator. If it was 19, then we have to say 7 is one less osculator, but it is greater, it is one more osculator because the difference is 1 and 21 is greater than 20, so it is one more osculator, and the osculator value is 2 because 21 is close to 20, so we got it 2. And in case of one more osculator we have to use negative, and one less osculator we have to use positive. So let's take an example of 7 1 1 2. We have to divide it in two parts. Last digit is one part and other is one part. 11 minus because is one more osculator, and this 2 is the osculator value, this is this, and this 2 is this, and we have to simplify it. If the answer is divisible by 7, then the number will be divisible by 7. Okay, this is the other example. In case of 8, if last 3 digit will be divisible by 8, then the number will be divisible by 8, or last 3 digit is divisible by if last 3 digit is 0, then the number will be divisible by 8, or if last 3 digit is divisible by 8 like this, then it will be divisible by 8. In case of 9, sum of all digit of a number, if divisible by 9, then the whole number will be divisible by 9. And 10 is most simple, that is, if there are any 0 in the last digit of any number, then it will be divisible by 10. That's all for today, and I will provide you some exercise. You can practice it in your home for clear your concept regarding this. Thank you. At last, thank you very much for watching this video. Like this video if it is beneficial for you, and also it motivate me. And share this video with your friends, it may help them. Comment down your thoughts or any doubts regarding this video, and you can also suggest me some topic for my further videos. And of course, subscribe to my channel for more videos and click the bell icon for time to time notifications. Thank you.